Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Windows shared folder from your Android device. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step approach to do that. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on your bell notification so you never miss any updates. Now let's get started. So to access your Windows shared folder from your Android device, I'm going to share a folder and then use that one for demonstration, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to share this new folder. So to do that, I'm going to right click on it, then I'll go to properties, then I'll click on sharing, then I'll click on advanced sharing, okay? So I'm going to check the box, share this folder, and then I'll give it a name. If you like it, you can leave the name you have already, okay? But I'm going to name it test. Then you can leave a comment. And then here you can limit the number of simultaneous users who are connected to the shared folder, okay? So you are going to click on permission, and then here you can leave it at the default, read only, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to give full control. Then I'll click on apply, and then okay. Then I'll click on apply, okay. And then I'll click on close, okay? So if I go back to the properties, you can see, and I go to sharing, you can see the path, okay? But the Windows 11 PC and the smartphone or the Android device has to be on the same network, okay? So I'm going to grab the IP address for the Windows 11 PC and then we'll use that one on the smartphone, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to access it on the smartphone. So please stick and stay. I'll be right back. So now to access our Windows shared folder on our Android device, we are going to download an application called CIFS File Explorer, okay? So to do that, we are going to open the Play Store. So I'll search for the Play Store, then I'll tap on that. So I'm going to search for the application. So we are going to type CX File Explorer is there. So I'm going to tap on that quickly. And then we are going to install it, okay? So I'll click on the install. So it's downloading the application, okay? Now it's installing the CS File Explorer. So as I said earlier, you have to be on the same network, okay? The same Wi-Fi network, okay? And you have to copy the IP address for the Windows PC because we are going to use it on the Android device, okay? So I'm going to open it, tap on open. And then this is the CS File Explorer, okay? So I'm going to click on next, then next. And I'm going to allow the CS File Explorer. So this is the interface for the CS File Explorer, okay? So we are going to click on network. And then we click on new location. So we are going to click on remote and then we will tap on SMB, okay? So here we are going to type the IP address for the Windows PC, okay, for the Wi-Fi address or the Windows PC, okay, for the Wi-Fi. So let me quickly type my IP address. Okay, and now we are going to type the username for the Windows PC, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I created a test account, okay, because I'm using the Windows username or the Windows account. So let me quickly type the username, then I'll type the password, okay? Then I'll click on OK. Now you see, this is the test shared folder we created on the Windows PC. And we have 3 items in the test folder. So let me tap on it quickly. And then you see the items we have. So let me open the first one, breaking the chain. So let me use this one and just this one, okay? So you see, access your Windows shared folder on your Android device, and it's very easy and quick to do. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, Kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on your bell notification so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.